This is Mrs. O'Neill for AP Chemistry, Chapter 7, Section 7, Trends for Group 1A and Group 2A metals. In other words, Group 1 and 2, the alkali metals and the alkaline earth metals. So hopefully at the end of this section, you'll be able to figure out some kind of trend amongst those particular groups. So again, pause the video, fill in the blanks, and then play to hear my words. So that group 1 or group 1A, the alkali metals, they're soft, they're very reactive because they form a +1 charge. When they have a reaction with hydrogen, it forms this hydride ion, which is H-1, weird, but it happens. And those metals tend to react very, very violently with water, especially as you go down the group. As you go down the group, it becomes more reactive and more violent with water. And here we have that metal reacting with water to form that base. Okay, and that's something we saw before, right? The metallic oxide plus water forms a base. This is a metal. This is a single replacement reaction or redox. Hopefully that came into your mind as well. So sodium is more reactive than hydrogen. It's going to switch places there, forming that NaOH base, and hydrogen gas is released. So these are reactions with oxygen. There are such things as oxides, which is reacting with oxygen. There are forming the oxide, as a product. Then there's things called peroxides. Again, the O2 -2 polyatomic ion. And then there's these things called superoxides, which is really, really weird, but it happens. So those are your three different kinds of compounds with oxygen. And depending on the situation, those metals can form an oxide, a peroxide, or what's called a superoxide. For group 2 or 2A, the alkaline earth metals, beryllium does not react with water, but magnesium actually reacts with vapor. So it's not reacting with water here, but it's reacting with the gas or the H2O vapor. So again, it's a single replacement or redox reaction. The magnesium and the hydrogen are going to switch spots, and we're left with hydrogen gas being released. Calcium and the rest react with water, and they form a very, very strong base. So again, just understand that there are reactions, and as you go down the group, it becomes more and more reactive. So you have beryllium, magnesium, calcium, right? So beryllium doesn't even react with water at all. Magnesium is going to react with the vapor. Calcium reacts very, very violently with water. And again, it's going to go get increasingly stronger as you go down. Okay, see you in class.